AI is an essential component in self-driving cars, and it is used in several ways to make autonomous driving possible. Here are some ways AI is used in self-driving cars. Perception. Self-driving cars use sensors such as cameras, lidars, and radars to gather data from the environment around them. AI algorithms analyze this data to create a detailed map of the surroundings and detect objects such as pedestrians, other vehicles, and traffic signs. Decision-making. AI algorithms process the data from perception sensors to make driving decisions in real time. These algorithms use machine learning techniques to learn from driving scenarios, traffic patterns, and the actions of other drivers, to make safe and efficient driving decisions. Control. AI is also used to control the vehicle's movements, such as acceleration, braking, and steering. These algorithms use real-time data from perception sensors and decision-making algorithms to control the vehicle's movements and avoid collisions. Predictive maintenance. AI algorithms can monitor and analyze data from various sensors and components in the vehicle to identify potential maintenance issues before they become significant problems. This proactive approach can help avoid breakdowns, reduce repair costs, and increase vehicle reliability.